Hammering about this tag team match, and we're going to start things off here in the second half. Oh, here we go! Ringing the bell here. Oh, kick to the knee. Since Bronson out, double team here on your homie, the Gnomes. Oh. Planting those feet. Bounce against the ropes. Oh, breaking through. Oh! And that two-time national linebacker, number 56, bowling them over. And in comes Dirty Bulk. One half of the Iron Savages. Oh! Up, going sky high. Flexing with Speedball. Up in the sky, look at the power, look at the girth. Straight drop down. One more time. Bulk is signaling. Speedball barely getting up to his feet. Oh, upsy daisies, not that time. Scouted a little too much. And out goes Bulk. Speedball calling Gabby Forza into the ring. Kick to the gut there. Veda Scott now. Got a double team maneuver of a different flavor. Big DDT. Of course, always with that houndstooth is Veda Scott, and in comes Dirty Bulk just when we were starting to have fun. Oh, big back elbow. Comes Veda. Oh, flipping through. A little assistance here. Birdlaw governing over the Mecca. One step at a time. Oh, big dive on the outside. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Veda Scott pushing Dirty Bulk back up to the apron. Continuing to work on that leg, work on that knee. And how about we just work on both the legs, huh? Oh, and down we go. We have some pretty outspoken children here. Oh. Oh. Big forearm by Speedball. Of course, Speedball, Mike Bailey, one of the most traveled independent wrestling stars. Oh. And one way to chop down a tree is piece by piece, and that's what Speedball Mike Bailey is doing here. To Dirty Bulk. Oh, grinding that in. Oh. Kick to the leg again. Ripping Dirty Bulk up by their hair. Oh, twisting around here. Trying to jockey for position. Oh. And in comes Veda Scott. Continuing to work on those appendages of Dirty Bulk. Birdlaw in full control. Oh, Gabby takes a shot from Veda Scott to the outside in the cover here. 2. Oh, just a 2 count. I'm gonna give a shout out to everybody watching on YouTube in the future. This is Wrestlers Lab. Oh my glob. Oh. Hope you're chatting away. Oh, big elbows there by Veda Scott. Oh! And again. down is Dirty Bulk. And Bulk's not used to being in this position. I believe this is Birdlaw's first match together in 2024. Trying to get a strong base. They've been working on those legs, but now he's diving in. Oh! Suplex sends them both over. And can Dirty Bulk get the energy behind him? That 9 years of in-ring experience of Bulk coming into play right now. Oh! And here comes Gabby, who they've been making pretty upset on the outside. Oh, flipping over the first ever Creative Pro Women's Champion here at Oh My Glob. Oh, big splash into the corner. Oh, big power slam. Shades of the British Bulldog. Oh, 2 count only for Savage Gnomes. Lining up Speedball Mike Bailey is Gabby Forza. Oh, I think she was setting up for that Noberg spear, but she eats a knee, and here comes Speedball. Oh! Foot to the face. Oh! 2! Oh, running shooting star press. Speedball thinking, what is next? What do I have to pull out of my arsenal? Oh, a forearm will do, and in comes Veda Scott again. Oh, from the ropes and over. Big DDT! Drives Gabby Forza down in the cover. Oh no. Oh, wrenching back. Oh, wrenching back again. Screaming is Gabby Forza. Up. Reaching for the ropes. Veda Scott jockeying for position, but Gabby makes it to the ropes. Didn't want to break the hold, so she has some assistance breaking the hold. In comes Bulk up onto the shoulders is Veda Scott. Oh, we're gonna do, oh, we're gonna go tit for tat here. Each other begging the other one to put their partners down. I don't think they're believing one another. Same time. Oh, just bench pressing. Nice squat by Dirty Bulk. Could Speedball do a squat as well? Trying his hardest. Oh, his legs are giving out. Oh no. Oh. Forced to put Gabby Forza down first. Veda still precariously on the shoulders of Bulk. Oh, well, they're down now. Oh, release German suplex sends Speedball flying. And this is the savage side of our Gnomes. Oh, what power by Veda Scott! This leaves Veda and Gabby. Oh, German suplexes for everybody. Thanks for coming to Oh My Glob. Coming through, up, nothing in the pool. Oh, a big boot to the face. Up to the second rope. Oh, big clothesline down. Oh, there's that Noberg spear. Everybody's down. Bodies everywhere. Labradors want these two teams to fight forever. Rolling to their respective corners here. Veda Scott trying to make the tag to Speedball. Gabby trying to make tag to Bulk. Speedball's tagged in. There we go. The Iron Savage tagged back in, still limping from the destruction of his legs before. And now we're, oh, what a blow.
Come on, it's the best you got with that theme song.
Oh. Oh, man. Just stalking his prey. His big Bulk. But it's firing up Speedball. Bulk said, bring it to me. Speedball said, well, I'll do just that. Oh, big forearm down. Bulk wants more. Speedball said, well, I can give you more. Oh! Those kicks echoing around the Mecca. Oh, caught that leg here. Up, roll through. It's a cover. 2. Oh, 2 count. Oh, ducks under the kick. Lands on his feet. Oh, big black hole slam. Bulk in there by himself now. Line up his opponents. Uh-oh, front row better get out of the way. Oh, a big dive. Head first. It's one way to do it. Oh, rolling in Speedball. Bulk and Speedball now back in there. Oh. Big forearm there. Bulk getting the Labradors behind him. Climbing up the ropes though is Veda Scott, but she's caught. She's caught. They're caught. Oh! Oh! Big slam down. Oh, big cannonball. Bounce up to the ropes. Oh, big Vader bomb. Double cover. 2. Oh, 2 count. Just a 2. Everything in their arsenal being emptied out. Bit of a split audience here at the Mecca. Up, Veda, dragging Gabby out. Oh, kick there. Up, grab the leg. Oh, twisting him up now, like a pretzel. Oh, caught. That hold still locked in. Veda Scott coming for the assistance here. Oh, a bit of a drunken Jenga, if I say so myself. Now that's locked in. Can Bulk get to the rope? They've been working on that leg this entire match. Really cinching it in is Speedball Mike Bailey. Oh, picked up Gabby Forza. Oh, planting right on Speedball. It looks like all of her energy, all of her strength just to break that up. all struggling to get to their feet now. Of course, they have the answer to 10. If everyone's down at 10 still, I guess this is thrown out. Birdlaw back up. Planning their next move here. Oh, eye to eye. Up, low bridge. And out goes Bulk. Oh. Big kick. Oh. Oh, moonsault on the outside. Meanwhile, neckbreaker on the ropes. Little romance between Birdlaw as they prepare for what seems to be, their next move of attack here. Assisted super kick sends Gabby Forza to the outside. Big crossbody. Gonna try for that assisted super kick again. Ducks out of the way. Collision there. Ducks under the clothesline, but Speedball gets it. And once again, back down to the knee. Bounce against the ropes. Shades of Monster Mac. Hit Squad represent. Limping around, but attempting to get the Labradors behind him still. Up on the shoulders. Looking for some side of outsider's edge, but rolled up. Sunset flip, 2. Double knees. Standing moonsault, double knee drop. The ultimate weapon from Speedball allows him to be in control. Up to the second rope again. There's that ultimate weapon. I called for it, and I guess we got it. 2 count. I thought that was gonna be it, folks. But these two teams still battling it out. Forearm. Here comes Big Bulk again, and using his girth to knock her down, but eats a super kick from Mike Bailey. Big clothesline. Big jackhammer from Gabby Forza. I think Bulk Bronson has something in mind. On the shoulders of Bulk Bronson is Speedball. Big kick. Big kick from Speedball. Bounce against the ropes. There's a Nürnberg spear from out of nowhere, Gabby Forza. Holy crow. Outsiders bomb. 2. Bring it up. Savage Gnomes win.
Here are your winners. Bulk Bronson, Gabby Forza, the Savage Gnomes.
What a tag team match here at Wrestlers Lab. Oh my glob. And I gotta say, oh my glob to that one.